Kajingilang padba jong kasiam kanek balapan long habadan football tangsning. Hagni kesngi ke padba kalayo ru bani simbanta raga babu jingkli hakmat Menteri rangba ya kijing ya kiba kentup nadu kiskim belasis pak sngi kajaka sumar kijingri jingdok ka boarding electric ka kamrep kamreng nolor kiwai.
Kila po snew nadu menshwa. So sir, it has been a long dream to have a community college here in Maukonro. So sir, will the government consider in establishing or materializing the dream of the people to have a community college here in Maukonro?
Meghalaya government, we spend 3,500 crores every year on education. 3,500 crores. And out of this, almost close to 2,000 plus crores we spend on salary alone. So that's the amount of money we spend on education. And we are the only state, or rather the state, where maximum number of private schools today are supported in grant and aid by government. Other northeast states like Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal, they may have 100 schools, 200 schools supported by government, private schools supported by government. In Meghalaya, we support 4,500 schools. We spend 1,000 crores giving salary of SSA, ad hoc and deficit teachers. 1,000 crores every year. So that is the kind of pressure that is there on us when it comes to education. And obviously we want to start more, but we need the funds. We need more money. So we are working on it. We realize that if not LP, if not UP, but at least upgradation to secondary and higher secondary is important because our children need the education. So we are examining, we are working on it, we are rationalizing. In fact, a very important thing that we're doing now, I can just share, is that in about a month's time, we will be rationalizing and structuring the grants to ad hoc schools and SSA schools. So very soon you will find that the SSA and ad hoc grants will be completely restructured, and I'm sure the teachers will be very happy. Once that starts happening, we will be able to rationalize the schools and reduce the number of categories and reduce the number of schools also. Just to share with you another number, that Meghalaya has 14,000 schools. If you compare that to Manipur and Nagaland, they have only 4,000 schools. So we have 14,000 schools. And the reason why we have 14,000 schools is because in the same village, there is one LP school, government, then which has got 10 students. Then in that same village, there is a SSA school also, which has got 10 students, but 3 teachers. Then in that same village, you have got an ad hoc school run by, say, Catholic Mission, which again has 10 students. Then you have one run by Presbyterian Mission, again LP school. So somewhere, some villages, you have 4 LP schools, each having 10 students and having 4 teachers each. So at the end of the day, you have 40 students, but you have 20 teachers if you add up. Whereas for 40 students, you don't need more than 5 teachers. So all of this complication is there in education. I don't want to bore you with and confuse you with that. I'm just sharing it because maybe it's a good opportunity for me to share. But I mean, if somebody can explain later on, but you understand what I'm saying. So this is the problem with education. I will not go too much into detail, but I accept your suggestions. I will definitely examine in a positive manner how we could support to open more secondary and higher secondary schools, because I know that area is very backward and it requires that support. So we will look into it. EMRS is definitely on the cards. About 500 plus students will get free education along with residential facilities, and this is meant for only tribal children. So therefore it's been given by tribal ministry, and this is a very important project. And regarding the community college, this is also an area which we are very focused on. I don't want to promise in public right now, because then I'll have to 100% give it, because right now there is a demand. More than 50 colleges have demanded for people's college, and therefore I have to look into all the demands and see how to balance and select the areas where we have to give. So please allow me some time to examine it. But definitely, Maukundro area is an area which requires something like this. I completely agree. But as I said, I cannot promise right now because I have to examine everything. But your MLA has been meeting me very, very regularly. I will definitely examine the community college also in a positive manner. And let's hopefully we'll be able to materialize it also. Thank you so much.
Ngidon arpoi teli ki PHC plus ki ba ngi la ajet na bentakan ni state. Na kita ki arpoi teli iser ai ar teli hamau kan block. Pidebat ajik tap ketia kata.
So in 3 months' time, this will start. There will be 2 PHC pluses, as I said, 1 additional doctor in board, 2 additional nurses, 75 lakhs of additional investment, and 10 additional beds in each one. So both those PHCs will be expanded. Thank you.
Kani kalai kemudian habo kaniga konsumsi bagi jingi berakui kali bapla hadu kata-kata. Ti parabor ngi mat ngi jingi akbede bagi jingme lai.
Then the whole area will be affected. That is one reason. Then 33 line from Blacksmith to Jongsha is very old.
So through that project, one of your main connection line, the renovation is already been allotted. So the company has already in fact got the work order and they are.
So because people here in Maukundro, most of the students come from poor families.
Pulih hak kaneka school ka longkum ki school JNV EMRS school ki longkum ki school JNV.
The Social Welfare Department Banbu Aganwadi Center hagitu ki jaka ki ba ki nong shnong ki la bon but ke shem jing e ki ban lecture ki Anganwadi Center
Nila jiet ya ki self help group ha ki ni ki sautali ki shnong ki bajingai berlemba ki self help group ngila yo ban penpoi kabam shaki longkeme bat ki khlong ha ki ni ki shnong
requiring signature of contractors hatu kini ki nong bala bun ki longkeme longpa bat ki samla ki bakwa ban le registration
in the state.
Yeah, so we have a huge amount of
yes sir.
So this is meant for them only.
For them, yes sir.
So now the more they register, then you mention about the benefits that they will get.
Ndai hadu mentalai potri ku tau kau umpat poi. Tika ni kalau rai ke jinge ke bakrau, hak ni ke than ke jongi. Bat ka balai pat ka day. Ha ka baya day bat ke jing bom biang kilo jong ni kau ration.
Kaba seti thai mung dong jini ni timpa ka jing crisis pas ni. Te hak bedai kene ka jing crisis pas ni na sokho ba kadai ka chitu ka khao e ja ni thai mung dong jini sini. Lamba ka ka schemes pas ni. Kalau ka kawai benta ka Nagaliang jongi nilayok jakakam kacang balik tray lek belah hatu ka skim kambang itu beliau sebetulnya ada jin guna jin itu jadi kam jam tolong sejak jin itu jadi baik nong pendong nak kumjuru kelolong kajin keku harbedai bat kadolongan lembaga ketika skim seperti nilayok sigong di kampung Roy harbedai bagi kain pendong sini harbila bansna jadi cepat di motor berfur ciri-ciri di jikrai di bagi lapan bentrai kolom permissible hak ketika skim seperti but kita baru kapal kini ki jingga no kiwa nagalian sungi ki nong sosno bat ki nong train bat ki nong penjat ki kini ka si skim seperti nila ban ong hang ni nala ban jatuh kami bat ngadon south ni ki mat kiwa ni nagalian sungi ki nong nong orang pray dengan skim seperti dia dulu tiket. Te kebenkong tolong bedai ba kaji sim attendance sebagai obat NMS attendance. Hangudai berkene ka atunan sebagai sim atunan segi no belas pasti ni sim siguan kicike ha bagi terkait dengan sim nomor hakisnom kicike senong kendong kanjaka kibani terkait itu sim allocation no kidon buan kicika kiba network kam nomor kata misem sistem penjimlah banci matenal hawa kan network kabel dehatan tengru hawa menstep ka kedang sekalong menginci matenal andre jazami apa kalong kum kita kijia ateng kami kalong kajite crown nota jini ini judge mat nomor ki non-frame but non-black car yang kedua is nama apa? Habang alam kita ni satu lah, himla kan, show aja kan, by non sini sini. Bagi tu kita non-frame kibalik belas pasti kilo sini. Tiap kita berkene na kuat berpersnau serta kabel yang melak dan serta kan. Ai kena ka suggestion ke ba nilat ba tray ba kerja jaga ni tray pasti ni kenang ba kan ngomong berkop betul ha ni dai ba kecinsi atas nanta kabar kadai hak ba ling jadi bank account jami bat Aadhaar kebanyakan tim dia akan kemudian berdoa ke ABPS ke Aadhaar based Aadhaar based payment system. Saya mengenai perkara nakalian jami ki dalam sesuatu itu sebelum kita landing ya Aadhaar bank account jami setiap nomor laga incoming ya Aadhaar ba account ni sekarang ni nomor banletrai sipasni ban ni nomor banjo jaka baino sipasni te hawe de berkene te boy ki nongson slot sebagai di jokar bonus kelalet bonsin ban link je Aadhaar sipan ada yang nomor ba nakalian kabang nakalian ki bang pinong web ba ka account jumpi lagam link ba Aadhaar hangrai ha ka MIS jok blok ba ko office kampan impact kampan pa then market ba kuan kinososnom kimla banetrai joka kimla banetrai ajam price pasti mar nakalian ka blok kanlah pasio jaga baik pasti.
Bisa berbahaya.
Hari ini nakalian ya GPS dengan tepat disangka maka lei yang kita ini karena kan konstruksi di sosno dan fakta mungkin salah juga kebalai hari ini maka EPAYC kenapa kadang dia cuma dalam main sebagai dan segala nomor kita non dan om sang kawin atau menom ba nangaliang kesokar dan pasangan ai bukor ba kapusur nabi nilang ba le jinji balai IPAYC di montai ka baru ba kabakapil ka basal kadai ka gili in kata kebang snow kia di dalam gili implement di dalam by material lakukan trade sistasi. Ya, kita berkenaan trade sistasi adalah delay implement kata apa material kata dia insert program ini informasi besar dan sebab lay dan deploy nambah trade sistasi ini kerja step akan mau berubah. Jika biang dalam segala.
MG has been a blessing both in terms of employment and also bringing about development. And however, sir, there are challenges. Number one is the national mobile monitoring system.
Let's go one by one and let's answer this. So, who will reply? Okay.
So for this,
Introduce yourself.
Sir,
Hasib.
ngade e-commerce society, kabadan support sa community and rural development department. Tinggi PDK implementation ng tinggi scheme mo kung ka-engineering PMAY pag-SBNG. Ngan translate siya yung issue, isa ba yan sa jubal ko yung gawin mo? So number one is the attendance. He is mentioning that in the absence of proper internet connectivity, they cannot capture the attendance. Sometimes they can capture in the morning and in the evening it is not done. But however, sir, the ministry have given provision to exempt them. So as and when we close the MASPRO, which is a 14-day cycle, we can seek exemptions in these cases. I'll explain to you, sir. So, baga the problem, हम तब ये हल्की जगह के लोगों के लोग बहुत का internet में, ये हलो कहीं का ministry हो गया ये ट्रेलर की बच्चों के department, नामन योगी बदलते कि islam habo megalian ki bombian internet connection. Bagi persyaratan ko panay exemption ban pelan ni kita mo. Dihagal ko ko for contribution ko kita gigi additional joki. Kapan ko satu kemas terus cycle joki. Kalau tak salah sendiri kesidai. Dia tu kita nak ada blok nambah. Na blok kita akan exemption. Berarti improvement district exemption. Kata ada dulu. Number two, sir, is he's mentioning about the Aadhaar-based payment system. This has been made mandatory from 1st January 2024 by the Ministry of Rural Development. The main aim, sir, is to ensure that the benefit goes directly to the person who is working and also to root out and remove any bogus or duplicate cases. Tiba halor ketuka kaban pangilin mo yung Aadhaar ka kaban akong kani kadai ka bangi dengan pendatang sisi di dalam kawan yang bonsin kan di kawan kau ni hak bandar jangan dapat yang bonso ada kabar ni hak ban si dah buat MIS na saya kita kita kabar lain ni hak ban di sana mo tidak ada kadai kan tu kaban am baru ni hak ban net ban si saban tak ban net tak dulu nombor iklan nasional but hadir kata ni kata NBCI mapping deh na tradition juga ada NBCI mapping dikatakan ni siapa yang bantu kamu juga expert kenapa kilaban nak dia jauh di blog kilaban kendak yang diban badan dan kan masa sistem yang dulu ingin bersama jalan penjaga meeting bat diban dan result dan telah ini kijing ekonomi prima dan akan ini ada hal yang TM dan itu AP the Honorable Chief Minister ngidam do Principal Secretary Jungi Hangi but nakajo kasurhi ngangai babon ki program amdai tanga MG na riji ngidam kam yo Aadhaar but isa iko banito ipibaro bang kamigaya kajala kajungi kajala kabangi duna pala ikadika Aadhaar enrollment but habangi pet kabon ko scheme na kalong health la kalong social welfare la kalong education la kalong kanuro baro ki scheme ngidam kam banling yo Aadhaar Kalau ada kantam eka MHIS mo, hantu dalam gangin na banay di kaju di mata MG na riji ka PMAY ro ada klan wa ada ngim na banay di ke ekonomi ko ban kentu yepi ni ko ban kentu yepi ba kadi kadi ka eka bakalang tang sisil ngidan ka wa ada ngaro ngadon na bang ada ka ka tingidan kami bangin enroll sisil tang sisil min enroll untuk number jopi ulani be kumjo badan ka man bin siya kiban akang jopi kenapa kanu ka jingyo kawan bet ha kaban akang jopi but amtang kata handingi na roban beg mo kitu kinoktre kibalik si kibang datay si syarat balik na ministry ko buhay kanina marba hagari ibang ko kidon kinoktre kibadan tang kakerteng rakib dan librio tibanlat na kataro kalau atli mo kaban ko kan ba direct ka jingyo alam ka benefit ka sa akang jopi but kabaar no kan beg no ay kibang datay si sya kitaki longyo keti ya katakan scheme na program ti isa ikan tu hang isa sisi kaniro kadai kata hi kabenta kabangin ni persang bang itu ikinoktre sebagai hok kinoktre sebagai hok ban wo yang bayang limba jaga MG na riji ti hok kan sedang is butuh ba kalau guna pala perforte yang kita kene authentication kalau ba di balik na ko isno balik na ko kayi so ko kayi patter kan mo tidon babantir na banyo iki Aadhaar joki ti na kanyang jomi min persang na ba kapal ministry kita kan extension tingin ko apa nito AP baro mo bamenta baro hindi centrally sponsored scheme mo kibagi yung central government hi menta yung shift ni kanya siya natapos pili on KS and A sponge Ante pila ya semua dia ante babon lah ya semua dia cakap kata babon iskin di kerja cakap. Ti bentang itu ikiba nakabata ka MG na ni GA hidangkan harata ka FTO testing stage kamot milang test kabiang liang yo ese kambiang hakajaga ba FTO kan lek siya ka to ki benda di babiang kamnet tinilang liang harata bagidang kan madan harata ka IFMIS mungkin kita di sistem bagi di benda ni training ka finance ni training ka treasury ni training ka NIC Richard Bat Ministry, Richard Bat State Government, ia bilang, ban pendidikan bah kini kalau kita biang nak dong sedong, ban hadir makan di kerabian, lima jam dari ke SMS pas, ke ekor ni kau bini free kalau bang, masih sanction ke Ministry yang kita bagi orang mother sanction mo, kali kau bisa kan robek directly, kan mambet syakah SFE, ke SFE kebadan hakam state level, tinantung ibadah kamu ban apa mengi apa mencari, selain kan bantu on proses lain anda bala sanction ng ministry kapisang kala poibet bagi nalakan sanction buat yang kapisang siya bawa di blok industry ti yan siya po na mabakali
ni naman ko lang 100% kita ang sunod joko maupun raw constituency kita ikinura semua menang ibarat biar han ruby sosial skin sunsa bertentang mereka konstitusi kalau kumbalang mentang apa nilai seblok office example boleh nilai bagi duduk ya di officer ini badan blok kisembah kimbiang kumkubi kumpan nidio kumbiang presiden kejual bertentang dan buat tiba ke supply of seed ke guna kecil gitu kan ya bisa hadir keluar kalau balai ke surga kamlah berpendian ya kisembah kinawai bagi dia kiba kinorep diperlukan hak kamera tinggi. Katakan kecil penengkong. My first question: why the government cannot fulfill to supply seed and fertilizers and the agricultural tools in time so that the farmers will not face problem? Kecil kebenar kalau kimarat khususnya nandaukan ngidol kami kodam. Satu kesukaan adalah yang bersangsian di kodam nang begini orang hakor bagi kimarat ia pendum bakor patatuan yang pendum jadi hakju kacakan but kapan kebalai kalau perishable crops like tomato then cabbage and so on diploy and snail ploy so can we get a cold storage so that in time when the market price is very less we can store them in this cold storage and we can sell in the time when the price is up. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Balai ki semai ki duna an boy sikini ga kan balai tu pi gatum ka jinyo sanction ni jong na scheme jong ni wede na balai ba es karuki me district horticulture officer jong the Iskasias go away but hage wede mat na un semai un trend na horticulture iyo ki semai le ki semai jual va ago pun ki benta Nambah Islam arja arsal dalam teknika wisdom dan skill keserkar dalam sanction kumma arklur bersal love na benta ka skill away pada ketika arklur bersal la kumma samsala sanction yang ke district ke jongi ke Iskasias pada kata kumma salla lain beri wajah sanction benta maupun rogi away Hakini ila persyang bagi benefits ki jongi mention Islam kita nangi na mau penro dan kini snow mau bear right.
I know that is okay. Again, it's a scheme based. So yeah, so I was just telling some people in the morning that we have to change our mindset. It cannot be always scheme based, development. It has to be stakeholder based development, which means that we have to put the farmer in front of us. And then look at what has to be done to improve. And not look at the scheme and say, okay, but we don't implement this. What I suggest is that why do you do a Prof survey? This season, of course, we cannot do, but for next budget, we can definitely. So I'll definitely ensure that I put more stress on this. Do a nice survey, find out everything from there. This is definitely not enough, and definitely we can do much more.
Yes.
We can do much more. So you put up a proposal. I'll definitely enhance the budget for it. And you can mention also that if somebody is there from my office, so you can also mention that in the budget speech that based on this particular CM Connect program, that we increase the budget for seats. So we will increase the budget for seats. You put that, but I want a full proposal. So I don't want to just randomly 10%, 20% increase or 100% increase. It has to be scientifically done. How many farmers are there? How much area is there? What do you have to do? So give me a scientific approach. I'll work on this. So
Even in terms of products, 4 lakhs. So farmers have to pay 50% of that. So
and we give loan, soft loans, interest-free loan.
completed that one.
So basically for cold storage, then you get this repeating asking. So for cold storage, because I have so many things I also don't remember all, but we have a program for cold storage. We have given, and they're all solar powered. In fact, here itself in Bangalore constituency also, I think 2-3 have been given, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 2-3 have been given. So we have no problem giving, but this is not a fully subsidized scheme. So 50% government gives, then 50% the farmers in terms of the SHG or the cooperative or the FPO, a soft loan has to be taken. And they had complained about the broomstick and that the price of broomstick was very low and that they were really incurring a lot of loss. And it is after the initiation of your MLA and the proposal that was put by him and the people who came with him that the establishment of the program called CM Assure took place. So I would like to thank your MLA and I think the farmers should thank that because of his initiative, CM Assure program happened. And I don't know the exact details, but I'm sure many broomstick farmers have benefited in the constituency and adjoining areas because of CM Assure. I only know that about close to 50 crores plus has been distributed to thousands of farmers across the state. I don't have the numbers for.
On this constituency,
So you can explain that. Yeah. So I'll just ask Basmat to just explain that.
Siya Badan ini daya tu lembaga sistem so kita telah beli nak ni kalau nak try the zombie have impact ke constituency ya ini mau open block kabaningkong kalau komrek kami uan han waktu sisa lawan mentah kalau sisa lawan kamajro but they na pudeng ke jingkut ke zombie dokter nanti na pudeng di sisa lawan kimia pada dia di CPS Badan Bulong tinasda man permito niya kini kami kaskin kami ang kataga siya masya tuwan ay ka jingkersyan apdeng lipon di bawah